Welcome to my channel Piping and Welding. In this video, let's see type of flange more used in piping welding neck flange. Typical flanges in piping are threaded flange, slip-on flange, socket welded flange, lapped flange, blind flange, welding neck flange, orifice flange, spectacle blind. Welding neck flange is more common and used more in the industrial piping. The welding neck flange is tapered neck flange with beveled end for butt welding to pipe. This neck gradually distributes stress and aligns the flow. Typical standards used are ASME B16.5 and B16.47. When you can use welding neck flange. Medium/high pressure classes, example 300 to 2,500 psi or critical fluids. High temperatures, thermal cycling, or frequent starts/stops. Vibration fatigue, proximity to pumps/compressors, or bending moments, high-rise lines/nozzles. Corrosive/toxic/flammable fluids, where you require a fully penetrated and verifiable joint. Large diameter lines or high wall thicknesses, heavy schedules. When it's not the best option. Low pressure, non-critical utility/water/air services, slip-on or lap joints, more economical, are usually sufficient. Small diameters with low severity and a need for quick assembly socket weld is sometimes acceptable. Threaded for very low pressure/non-critical use only, no cycling. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.